I'm going to show you how to make real easy offsets with the BENDstation Pro. So the first thing we're going to do, we'll take our conduit, lay it right against the ruler, slide it up till it hits the stop. We'll make our marks. I'm going to bend a 4-inch 30-degree offset, so my first mark will be 8, my second mark will be 16. We'll take this 16-inch mark and go all the way around, just like that. Now we'll put it right in the bender. I'm going to use the front of this hook as my reference point, so we'll line that right on the front. The protractor's zeroed out. Now to get a 30-degree bend, I'm going to bend to about 33 to compensate for spring back. We'll push the handle forward, push that pipe straight through. Now we'll go to the second mark. We'll align it right on the front of the bender hook again. Now we can look right over this bender head. It's made in 2 pieces, so it has a natural line right down it. I'll be able to twist this and line this right up to make a real straight offset. There it is. So we'll bend this to 33, right there. We'll pull it out and check it. It is 4 inches. It's real straight. That's a real nice bend.